If you are an owner of these models, or your OEM headlight housing is the same as the image, you may have met following problems. The standard H7 LED bulbs didn't fit your car. You tried the universal adapter and standard H7 LED bulbs, but they still didn't work. Are you still looking for the compatible LED bulbs to replace the OEM halogen headlights? Lasfit Ray designed custom-made H7 LED bulbs for this special type. Directly plug and play. No need other adapters. In this video, we show you how the standard H7 LED bulb with the universal adapter and special H7 LED bulbs work on this special H7 headlight housing. Take out the base collar. Put on the retainer adapter on LED bulb. Put the base collar back on. It's very hard to lock the LED bulb on headlight socket. We are trying to use the retainer adapter and another standard H7 bulb. One side of the retainer adapter can't lock with the sticking point. The retainer adapter is rotatable, not fixed with LED bulb, so it's very hard to lock it on headlight. This specific retainer adapter was integrated with the base collar, all in one design, easy to lock it on headlight housing socket. Plug into the OEM power connector. The universal adapter and standard H7 bulbs are very hard to install on the headlight. It's very loose and easy to fall out. The custom H7 LED bulb was installed easily and securely on the headlight socket. We tested this custom H7 LED headlight bulbs on following models and worked perfect. 2016-2018 Volkswagen Jetta, 2012 Volkswagen Jetta GLI, 2006 Mercedes-Benz E350. More feedback from Lasfit customers. Lasfit designed several other special H7 LED bulbs for some models of Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Hyundai and Kia. If your OEM H7 retainer holder is one of these types, you can check other videos in Lasfit channel. Thank you for your support to Lasfit.